How to install multiple Python packages at once using pip. I know it's an easy way of doing it, but I didn't find it neither here nor on Google. So I was curious if there is a way to install multiple packages using pip. Something like or
For installing multiple packages on the command line, just pass them as a space-delimited list, for example. For installing from a text file, then, from pip install help. Our file name, requirement equals filename. I install all the packages listed in the given requirements file. This option can be used multiple times. Take a look at the pip documentation regarding requirements files for their general layout and syntax. Note that you can generate one based on current environment. Cite packages with pip freeze if you want a quick example, for example, based on having installed Schuberts and Boto in a clean virtualenv.
And in the requirements.txt file you put your modules in a list, with one item per line. Django equals 1.3.1. South equals 0.7. Django debug toolbar.
On the command line, if you have a few packages to install, you may just do. Thanks.
You can install packages listed in a text file called requirements file. For example, if you have a file called rec.txt containing the following text, and you issue at the command line, pip will install packages listed in the file at the specific revisions.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.